Welcome to a quick video tutorial on using sliders in Desmos. Let's get started by typing y equals mx plus b. Next, click the blue All button to add sliders for m and b. Drag the handle to adjust the slider value, and the graph updates automatically. You can also adjust slider values manually, or by clicking play for hands-free mode. To adjust the slider settings, click on one of the endpoints. You can adjust the lower bound, upper bound, and step size. These boundaries can be a static number that you adjust manually, or they can be dynamic, dependent on any other parameter in the graph. For example, let's type a new line, y equals mx plus c, and set the upper bound to b. Let's keep it simple and set m and b to run from -5 to 5 with a step size of 1. There are a few animation settings for sliders in motion. Options include loop forward and backwards, repeat in one direction, play once, and play indefinitely. You can also increase and decrease the speed. Let's slow m down and speed b up, and loop it to repeat in the increasing direction. You can find more tutorials and lots of math to explore at the Desmos Help Center.